Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop connecting issues. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having any issue with your AirDrop, so let's see how can you fix random issues. So the very first and simple way is that you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh with all your network settings, including your AirDrop. So let's do this. You have to enable your airplane mode, then disable it and do same up to 4 or 5 times. And once you have done, it will make a quick refresh and it will almost work for you. Or if you're still having the same issues, you have to open your settings from here, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that your software is updated. You haven't any pending software updates, because pending software updates might have these type errors. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you can make a force restart to make a quick refresh with all over your system on your iOS or your iPhone or iPad. So if there has been a glitch, it will be fixed in this step. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes really black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes really black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone first. Then you have to check if your AirDrop is working or not. If it's still not working, so you have to open your settings app here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode here and then select reset network settings. So it will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, your hotspot, and also including your AirDrop. So if there will be any network issue, it will be fixed in this step, or your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not working for you, so you have to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. And now to do that, you have to open your App Store, or you can use your web, open your browser and search for Apple support. So now you have to select your iPhone from here, then select more option, select AirDrop from here, and now select get more help, then select call us. Now you'll get a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number. You will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, your issue will be fixed and your AirDrop will be working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.